This is the Strawbees Steam Starter Kit. Strawbees is a versatile building kit made up of unique connectors and building straws. The straws come in 5 different lengths and colors, while the connectors come in 4 different shapes and colors. Strawbees can be connected in so many different ways. Strawbees can be used to create geometric shapes, unique prototypes, and mechanical systems. At the end of each build, the straws and connectors can be disassembled and reused. The Robotic Inventions for Micro-Bit Kit combines the physical capabilities of Strawbees with coding and robotics. Strawbees Classroom includes standard aligned lessons, courses, and activities. Detailed step-by-step guides walk students through how to build and even how to code unique creations. Articles, guides, and training webinars taught by the Fluxspace team in collaboration with Strawbees Classroom are great resources for teachers and educators. Looking to bring creative problem solving into your classroom? Connect with one of our STEAM specialists to learn more.